Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to edit videos in only 5 minutes using CapCut. So basically, first is you have to import your video here. If you open your CapCut, you will see import and you just have to import videos from your device. So the good thing about this CapCut is that you can add many videos as much as you want. And above here are the options that can help you edit your video. So I'm going to show you how to a video first. So you just have to drag the video here. If you want to change the size or ratio of the video, you just have to go to this part and then select the one that you want. For me, I want 16:9. So this is the output or the outcome. You can zoom in the video by tapping the scale, increase or decrease. Now, on the upper part of the video, you can see here options such as freeze, delete, and split. So if you want to split or divide a video, for example, this part right here, if you want to divide or split this, you just have to click the video and go to this section. Right here, you will see split. Apart from that, you can also see delete. You can also see options such as freeze and reverse and other options that you can use for your editing. So if you also want to simply just go back to how it used to be, then all you have to do is to press Control Z to undo everything or to undo changes here. So for example, you want to reverse, I want to reverse the second part of the video. So this one is the split video. So I'm going to reverse this part right here. So if you want to reverse, and you can tap this reverse right here. If you want to add other effects and other things, like for example, you want to add an effect to the second video that you don't want to affect the first video, you just have to tap the second video and then you add effects. To add audio, you just have to go to audio right here and then select or search for that audio or music that is fit to your video. So you can search for a specific genre. So for example, if you want old music or old sounds or old audio, then you can search it right here. You can listen by tapping. And then once you're good, once you want this audio or sound to your video, so all you have to do is to click this plus icon. And to delete the part which you think is unnecessary, you just have to click and delete. Now to add a text to your video, all you have to do is to tap this text right here, click plus, and then input that text or words that you want to add here. For example, wedding anniversary. And then here on the right side, you can add animations, you can add effects. Okay, you just have to click this one. You can also do text to speech if you want to. So select the one here that doesn't have a pro because you're just using the basic version. But if you're using the pro version, then feel free to use from any of this here. So if you want to change the color, you just have to go back to text and then look for the color that you want. And also you can add a 3D effect to this text right here. So feel free to look for that. You just have to go to any of these options right here and then change your text. So here I'm going to apply this 3D. I'm going to change the color here by tapping from any of the color, and I want to add a background color. Then all you have to do is to go to this part, go to text, and then add a color or change the color of the text. Everything is up to you. So to resize this, you just have to click the circles and then move this up. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can drag this up to the length of the video. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add a background to this video, then we can go back to those videos that we have import from our device. So if you want to add something like mountains or beach, which I imported earlier, all you have to do is to drag it below the video or below the original video. Or let's just say you have to move it up. Okay, I mean the first video, you should move it up in order for this to appear on the screen. So let me move this up. Okay, And this is what it looks like. Now to cut the background, to erase the background, and we just want, of course, the two people here. So in order for you to cut or erase the background, you just have to click the video, go to video, and then go to cut out or select cut out. And then you have to look for AutoCAD out, and this is the result. So feel free to place it anywhere on the video here. So that is your background. Now, if you want to change your background, you just have to delete the background right here and then tap one of the videos above or import a video, and all you have to do is to drag that video below the original video. Now trim the video, audio, and text for them to have the same length, and then export. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.